Hello, I'm Paulie Capo and welcome to Training Minutes. Today we're going to be performing a subfloor rescue of an unconscious and conscious firefighter with a hose, and an unconscious and conscious firefighter with rope. As we learned in past Training Minutes, the ability to take doors off hinges, today we're going to utilize those doors to go around the hole to disperse the weight of our rescuers over a possibly degraded floor assembly. Let's watch the firefighters achieve the rescue via the hose line. In this instance, the downed firefighter is unconscious, so a rescuer needs to be lowered into the hole. Utilizing minimal equipment, a bite is created in the hose and it is lowered down. The rescuer then slides the hose controlled, as he or she might not be able to see the ground. It is beneficial to place the hose around the armpit level of the unconscious firefighter to allow the most slimmest fit through the hole. Also, securing the hose above the air pack will eliminate an unwanted space that will occur if the hose slips during the haul when the system transitions from a horizontal position to a vertical one. There are many ways to secure the hose together that would be successful. Just make sure that it is tight as possible. In this case, we are using a girth hitch around one side and clipping it on itself on the other. Make sure the haulers pull from opposite sides of the hole if possible. This will allow the firefighter to ascend up the center of the opening and not fight the edge. The technique to raise the rescuer is the same as the conscious subfloor rescue. If that was the case, then no rescuer needs to be lowered into the hole. In this case, a hose line is not available to use for the rescue, or chosen as not the most optimal tool. So we're going to be using rope to rescue our unconscious victim and our conscious rescuer. Any rope can be used for this haul. However, we want the rope to be accessible when we need it. So for this drill, we're going to be utilizing our personal rope that comes out of our pockets. Now let's watch the firefighters achieve the rescue of our victim and our rescuer. In this instance, the downed firefighter is unconscious, so a rescuer needs to be lowered into the hole as well. The rescuer is lowered into the hole on 2 bites via a body belay. Once on the ground, each bite is placed through the shoulder strap and around each leg, making sure you keep accountable for each strap due to the lack of visibility you will encounter in the hole. Once complete, the firefighter is raised up. The technique to raise the rescuer is the same as the conscious subfloor rescue. Again, if that was the case, then no rescuer needs to be lowered into the hole. 2 bites are lowered back into the hole and the rescuer sits on them and gets pulled up. These can be the same ropes or other personal ropes if available. These are 2 ways of accomplishing the subfloor rescue of a downed firefighter. I'd like to thank our sponsor, Safety Components, and St. Petersburg College Fire Training Center. Thank you for watching another episode of Training Minutes.